Cardano is most certainly one of those activities that have mind-boggling likely beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit, based on peer-investigated scholastic examination. Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top cryptographic forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital currency and venture are about and look at our ADA cost estimate for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, similarly as with some other cryptographic money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% exact Cardano cost estimate. We notice what least cost and greatest value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. However, those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise speculation counsel. Our constant ADA to USD cost update shows the ongoing Cardano cost as 35 cents USD. Our latest Cardano cost estimate demonstrates that its worth will increment by 9.24% and reach 39 cents by May 13, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the negative bullish 14% market feeling on Cardano, while the trepidation and insatiability file is showing a score of 52. Over the most recent 30 days, Cardano has had 14 30th green days and 5.65% cost instability. Cardano's specialized outline. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Cardano is $35 cents, and ADA is buy and buy position no. 7 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Cardano is $12,310,901,396.97, with a market cap of $34,841,794,819 ADA. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ADA has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 9.44%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ADA has expanded by 12.98%, adding a titanic typical measure of 5 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Cardano will be 32 cents. The most extreme level that the ADA cost can reach is 36 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 39 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 0.64% ADA value conjecture for May 2023 in light of the value variances of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 36 cents in May 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 33 cents and at 39 cents individually. Likely return for money invested. 10.7% June 2023. Cardano value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the ADA cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 32 cents, while the greatest could reach 39 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 35 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 8.9% ADA value figure for July 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value vacillations of Cardano in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 38 cents in July 2023. It can drop to 38 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 39 cents. Expected return for capital invested. 8.8% August 2023. Cardano value estimate around mid-year 2023. The ADA cost will be exchanged at 37 cents by and large. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 38 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 37 cents in August 2023. The most minimal and top ADA rates may be 36 cents and 37 cents. Likely return for money invested. 4.3% October 2023. Cardano value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ADA cost will be around 36 cents. In October 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 35 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 36 cents in October 2023. Possible return for money invested. 2.1% ADA value estimate for November 2023. Having examined Cardano costs, digital currency specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 35 cents in November 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 35 cents. For November 2023, the anticipated normal of Cardano is almost 35 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 0.2%. December 2023, Cardano value estimate around mid-2023. The Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 34 cents. Crypto experts expect that in December 2023, the ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 35 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 2.4%. Cardano value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Cardano will be around 69 cents. The most extreme expected ADA cost might be around 85 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 72 cents in 2024. Cardano value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2025, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $1.04 and $1.21, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.07. Cardano value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Cardano and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ADA cost could drop to $1.53, while its most extreme can reach $1.84. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.57. Cardano value forecast 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Cardano by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least ADA costs are normal in 2027, $2.74 and $2.22. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $2.28. Cardano value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the changes of Cardano. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ADA cost will be around $3.25. It could drop to at least $3.16. However, it actually could reach $3.86 all through 2028. Cardano value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Cardano. It is assessed that ADA will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $4.84 and $5.52 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $5 during the year. Cardano value expectation 2030. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Cardano's cost. The year 2030 not set in stone by the most extreme ADA cost of $8.43. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $7.21. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $7.41. Cardano value expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Cardano cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ADA cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $10.16, with the conceivable greatest tops at $12.54. Overall, you can anticipate that the ADA cost should be around $10.46 in 2031. Cardano value expectation 2032. Digital money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Cardano's cost. The year